Hello everyone, welcome to Artistry by Rohma. Today we are learning how to make an orange color by using acrylic. First we need two colors, red and yellow. First we mix these two colors to make a perfect orange color. Add more yellow if you think you need more. Then blend it smoothly until it's turned out a neon orange. It's a beautiful shade of an orange. So here I add more yellow to make a new color of an orange. Here I add more yellow and then I blend it smoothly until it's turned it out a tangerine shade. Here I add a white color into a tangerine shade. Then blend smoothly until it's turned it out in cream orange color. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this kind of content, then please do subscribe my channel and comment below which shade of orange you like the most.